Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at arithmetic operations of number-based systems. If you haven't seen any of our videos, check our playlist for a comprehensive study on number-based systems, how to convert from one base to another and from one base to base 10 and base 10 back to other bases. Today we'll be looking at arithmetic operation. Now, we have the addition in base 10, which is basic, most of we should know. We have that in base 2, base 8, and base 6. We'll see some other examples as we progress in the studies. Now, diving right into the studies, we have our first one. We have our number 1 as 2704 base 10 and 687 base 10. Now, since then common in same base, we'll go ahead to add. 7 plus 4 will give us 11. So we write down 1, carry 1. Remember, 11 minus 10 will give us 1, right? So we write down 1. Alright, how many times is 10 going into 11? Once. So we carry that 1. So 8 plus 1 is not up to 10. So we write down 9. 7 plus 6 is 13. So that will be 13 minus 10 will give us 3. So we have a remainder of 3. So we write down 3. How many times is 10 going into 13? 1. So we carry 1. 2 plus 1 will give us 3. So this will be 3391 base 10. Now, applying same rule for our base 2, where we have 1010 plus 1111. Now, 0 plus 1 is 1, base 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, okay? 2 minus 2 will give us 0, so write down 0 and carry 1. Alright, 1 plus 1 again will give us 2, we write down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 3. So this becomes 3 minus 2, which we have 1, right? Remainder 1. So that remainder 1 is what we bring down here. So this gives us a solution in base 2. Alright, the next one is a subtraction. If we have a subtraction this way, still in base 2, we have 1, 1, question 3, 0, 0, base 2, minus 1, 1, 1, base 2. Okay, sorry, 1, 0, 1. Okay, now, if we borrow, please remember that whenever you borrow any number in any base, the number you borrowed is equivalent to the base. So if we are borrowing in base 2, so the number we are borrowing will be 2. If we borrow in base 10, the number we borrow will be 10. If we borrow in base 8, the number borrowed will be 8. If we borrow in base 6, the number borrowed will be 6. So now, borrowing in base 2, so since this is not up to 1, 0 cannot subtract 1, so we borrow from here. So this 0 becomes, this 1 becomes 0. So from here, we put 2 here. 2, okay, we borrow 1 from 2, this becomes 1 and add to this. So 2 minus 1 will give us 1. 1 minus 0 will give us 1. 0 minus 1 cannot. So what do? We borrow from this. This becomes 0. So we add 2. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So our 1100 minus 101 base 2 will give us 111 base 2. Now to the fourth one, which is in base 8, we have 623 base 8 plus 275 base 8. Alright, now having this in base 8, we are going to add it up. Adding it up in base 8, we would have 5 plus 3 is what? 8. So 8 minus 8, just as we did before. 8 minus 8 will give us 0. So this becomes 0. We carry 1. Since 8 will go into 8 one time, so we carry 1. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So this becomes 10 minus 8 will give us 2. Right? So 2 carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 minus 8 would give us 1. Okay, remainder 1. So we have that remainder 1, carry 1. So that one we carry, bring it down. So this becomes 1120 base 8. So that is what we have for our base 8. Now the next one we are looking at will be multiplication. Okay, we have 142 times 35 all in base 6. Now 5 times 2 will give us 10, right? 10 minus 6, we have a remainder of 4. So this gives us a remainder 4. But 6 is going into 10 one time, so we will carry 1. 5 times 4 is 20, right? Now 20 plus 1 is 21. So 21 minus, how many times is 6 going to 21? That is 6 times 3, 18. So 6 will go into 21 3 times. That will give us 18. 21 minus 18 will give us 3. 19, 20, 21, right? So this will become, we write down our remainder 3 and carry 3, which is 6 times 3 to give us 18. Now 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 minus 6 will give us 2. Alright? So the remainder 2, how many times is 6 going into 8? Once. So this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 will give us 0. So this is 0. We rather 0, carry 1. Okay? 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1, 13. 13, how many times we see is going to 13? That is 12, 2 times to give us 12. So this is 1. We rather 1, carry 2. 3 times 1, 3. Plus 2 will give us 5. And 5 is not up to 6, so we rather 5. So adding this up, we have it as 4, 3, 3, 6. Okay, now since this is up to 6, all right, 6 into 6, just as we do, 6 into 6 will be 0, remainder 1. So we bring down that 1. So our number here in base 6, adding up, since it's in base 6, okay, we have it as 1033 for base 6. Our next set of questions says multiply 1101 base 2 by 11 base 2. And alright, in doing that, let's go one at a time. In doing that, we have 1101 times 11 all in base 2. Alright, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. Alright, 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. So we now add. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. Remember it's in base 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Just like we always do. 2 minus 2, we have rather than 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2, rather than 0, carry 1. So multiplying this, we have this as this. So question 2, we have 213 base 4 times 23 base 4. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so 9, how many times will 4 go into 9? That is 2 times 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 will give us 1. Okay, will give us 1, carry 2. 3 times 1, 3, plus 2, 5. 5. So 4 into 5, 1, carry 1. Alright, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. So 4 into 7, 7 minus 4 will give us 3. So we write down 3, carry 1. Alright, now 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 4 will give us 2, carry 1. Okay, so we have 2, carry 1. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3 is not up to 4, so write down our 3. Alright, and 2 times 2 is 4. Alright, since it's 4 minus 4, we have remainder 0, carry 1. So this becomes 0, carry 1. Now we do what? Add. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1. Remember, it's in base 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, right? Subtracting 4 from it, we have remainder 2, carrying 1, 2, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So our answer in base 4 becomes 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, base 4. Alright, looking at our third question, we have if 110, we have 110 times t squared times t equals 11110 base 2, then we should find the value of t. Now, we can go ahead to do this divided by this to find the value of t, or we can convert this to base 10, convert this to base 10, then we convert back to base 2. So let's do that. Converting this to base 10, our 110 in base 2 to base 10 will become 1 times 2 raised power 2, 0, 1, 2, plus 1 times 2 raised power 1, plus 0 times 2 raised power 0. So this becomes 2, 2 times 2, 4, sorry, 4 plus 2, which will give us, this is 0, okay, 4 plus 2 will give us 6. Alright, now converting our 11110, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to base 10. This becomes 1 times 2 raised power 4 plus 1 times 2 raised power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised power 1 plus 0 times 2 raised power 0. Now this we would have as 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0, which gives us 20 plus this will give us 30. Alright, so now we can say our 6 times t2, t base 2 equals 30. So therefore, t base 2 equals 30 divided by 6, which gives us 5. So now we are going to convert 5 back to base 2. Now converting 5 back to base 2, we have 5 and 2. So 2 into 5, 1, sorry, 2 remainder 1. 2 into 2, 0 remainder, sorry, 1, 1 remainder 0, and 2 into 1, 0 remainder 1. Reading upwards, our t base 2 will be 101 base 2. So that leaves us with our answer for t base 2. Now next question says if 110,111,2 minus y10 equals 10101 base 2, then we should find the value of y. Now, for us to find the value of y, okay, we are going to do 110,111 base 2, collecting like terms, minus this, minus 10101 base 2 equals y base 10. Alright, so let's solve this out. Having this, okay, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, base 2. So we are going to convert this to base, we are going to convert it back to base 10. Now converting this to base 10, we have it as 100010 base 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This becomes 1 times 2 raised to the power 5 plus 0. Okay, all this will give you 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 1 plus 0. Okay, so 1 times 2 raised to the power 5 is 32 plus 2 times 1, 2, which gives us 34 base 10. So our y10 base 10 equals 34 base 10. The sum of four numbers is 1214 base 5. What is the average expressed in base 5? Now, for us to find the average, you know that our average is base divided by 4. But since it's in base 5, we need to first of all convert to base 10 to get our average. So now, in doing that, we have 1214,0123. This will be 1 times 5 raised to the power 3 plus 2 times 5 raised to the power 2 plus 1 times 5 raised to the power 1 plus 4 times 5 raised to the power 0. This gives us 1 times 1, 25 times 5, 125. Okay, plus 2 times 25 plus 1 times 5 plus 4 times 1, 4. So this gives us 125 plus 50 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, this and this is 130, 180, 184. 184 base 10. Now the average will be 184 divided by average. Let's have it as average equals 184 all over 4, which will give us 4 into 18 is 4 times 4 times 4 16, rather 4 carry 2. So our 4 into 24 will give us 6. 5 times 4, 20 times 6 times 4, 24. So 5 to 24 will give us 6, which is 46 base 10. So to find the average expressed in base 5, we need to convert 46 to base 5. So this becomes 5 into 46, and that will be 9, remainder 1. That is 9 times 5, 45. Remainder 1. So 5 into 9 would give us 1, remainder 4, and 5 into 1 will give us 0, remainder 1. So reading upwards, 46 base 10, which is the average, will be 141 base 5. So 141 is the average expressed in base. So for our second question, it says 112 1122 base 3 plus equals 211 base 2 base 3. We can write it to be 21123 minus 1122 base 3 equals x. Alright, now having this, we can now solve this out to be 2112 base 3 and 1122 base 3. Alright, 2 minus 2 will give us 0. Remember, it's in base 3. So 1 minus 2 cannot. So if we borrow 1 from here, this becomes 0. Adding 3. 3 plus 1 will give us 4. So 4 minus 2 will give us 2. Right? Yeah. So 0 minus 1 cannot. We borrow 1 from here to add here. This becomes 3. 3 minus 1 will give us 2. And this is 1. 1 minus 1 will give us 0. So our final answer would be 2 to 0 base 3. So this we have found our missing value as 220 base 3. Alright guys, with this we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If there be any questions, put them down in the comment section below.